Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aika and thank you so much for putting your time in and watching this video. Basically this morning my throat was playing some weird games on me because I woke up with no voice, so I couldn't talk and it was really painful, so the whole morning was such a mess. I went to the doctors. I was expecting something, I don't know, something so bad because the pain was really like big, but they said it's some inflammation, so no worries, which is good. Anyway, I'm feeling better now. My voice is coming back a little bit, so I'm really sorry for it being a bit bad. Anyway, yesterday I received my parcel from Senreve and I've been waiting for it for the longest time because I ordered it on the Black Friday, which was the 23rd or the 24th November, and I only received it yesterday and it was the 6th. So imagine, it's been almost 2 weeks, but they had some delivery issues, too many orders, so that's okay. So I finally got my bag. Thank God. I was really excited yesterday for getting this bag, but at the same time I didn't want to unbox it without you guys. I wanted you to see my real first impression of what I think about the bag, because I've never seen it in real life and I actually never ordered something this expensive without checking it out first, without like feeling the leather and everything. So let's get right into the unboxing. If you're interested in the bag that I ordered and what it came with, then keep on watching. I love the box, by the way. It's black and with silver letters at the bottom which says Senreve. It looks very minimal but very stylish. Tape, it's black, you know, so they thought even about such tiny details, which is always nice. The very first time I've heard about this brand was back in March. I saw it from one of the bloggers. It was obviously a sponsored videos that they did. They got the bag for free, but I paid for it full price. It's not sponsored whatsoever. My channel is too small for that. But I still love their concept. I love the design of their bags and I really wanted to check them out and see whether they're actually worth it. And I've always wanted a business bag that looks nice, just like this one. So oh wow. Okay, so it is a giant box. This is the wrapping paper and it looks so nice. I love the colorful letters. Inside, I got my receipt. Firstly, I'm going to show you the bag and then I'll tell you the price. So okay, I can just remove this. Oh wow, this looks so nice. I have more paper, a dust bag, and a little something extra. So oops. I'll start with this one. Okay, basically during the Black Sale they had this offer when if you make an order over $500 then you get a mini bracelet pouch, I think the name was, and I've decided why not. I was gonna order the bag anyway, why not just do it now? I'll get a free gift. So here it is. Let's see what that is. Nice. Oh wow, I love the leather, it's so smooth. So I got this bracelet pouch in color sand, I think, and it's very small. It's almost like a big wallet. It's plain at the back. In the front it has this hand which says Senreve right here, and inside when you open it, the zip is very smooth. You know, sometimes you get these zips when it's really difficult to open and close them, but this one is very nice, and you can feel that the product is very high quality. Inside I have this lining, it's like the sweat lining in light blue color. It has a tiny card compartment. Yeah, I feel like you can only fit one card. And I got some care card. This is so nice. The coolest thing about this pouch is that you can use the handle as a bracelet. You just disattach it from the pouch. Just a second. Yeah. And there you go. You can use this part as a cute bracelet. I don't think I'll ever use it as a bracelet because it's very big. Like, I don't even have to open it to put my hand inside, so but I'll just use it as a handle for the pouch, like this. What do you think? I love the color. I always wanted something in this color. Looks cute. And now moving on to the main item that I got. So I have this dust bag, pretty big. And the bag is right here. Now it's time to unwrap this. So much paper. Guys, ready? It is so pretty. Ta-da! This is the bag that I ordered. It's called the Maestra bag in size big, or the regular. They now launched the new size, which is medium. It is slightly smaller than this one, but bigger than the mini one. But I still decided to go for the giant one because I really love the concept of putting my laptop inside, because none of my bags fit my laptop, and also I have a giant Chanel bag and I don't want to ruin it by putting my laptop inside every single day. So I've decided to go for this one. When I saw it for the first time, I thought it was kind of ugly, the bag itself, but then I think I just got used to it. The love came with time. The appreciation of the bag came a little bit later, and I just realized that this is such a unique, very business-oriented bag, which is very hard to find nowadays. We have so many mini bags, cute bags, night out bags, chic bags, shopping bags, but we don't have a lot of working bags, and I think this is the most perfect solution for such a big issue of the 21st century, since there are so many working women. And I ordered it in color cream. I wanted a white bag for the longest time, and I've decided to go for this one. It looks really pretty. I was gonna buy the blush one at the beginning, but then getting a pink working bag is not that doesn't look that serious. Looks stunning. I'm just checking for any scratches or stuff like that, because this is a relatively new brand, so you want to make sure it's actually worth the money. Okay, they have the protections on the little feet at the bottom of the bag. I love that it has them, so it will be protected. Oh my god, so happy. The price I paid for this bag was $895 US, and I also got the pouch for free. If you want to buy this little bracelet pouch separately, it will be $145. So I think I got a really good deal. Even if I'm not going to use this pouch a lot to go out or casually on a daily basis because it's really tiny, I can still use it as a cosmetic pouch and just put it in my bag. I think they will look nice together. Yeah, they look really cute together. Now let's talk a little bit more about this bag. Since I've never seen it before, I really don't know how it works, so I'll just figure it out with you guys. When you open the bag, I have the strap inside. I'll just take that out. This is how it looks on the inside. It is really massive inside and I love it. More paper to protect the shape. It has the same bluish and grayish lining inside in suede, and it looks so good. It says made in Italy right here. It has this what is it, like a keychain holder, so you don't lose them in a bag, which is super convenient because I tend to lose my keys all the time. Even if I carry the smallest bag in the world, it will still take me about 5 minutes to look around for the keys. It's annoying, but you see how smart this bag is. Then I have 5 big compartments where I can put my phone, my passport, I don't know, whatever I want to inside. Then I have this smaller one, and I think I can put some pens inside. I have my Apple Pencil right here, so I'll just show you. Yeah, this is definitely a compartment for pens, so you don't lose them either. This is so great. That's what I'm talking about, a real working bag. Then on the other side there is a zip compartment where you can hide all your belongings, like a wallet. And right here there is a bigger pocket for your laptop, and I can't try and put my laptop in because I'm using it right now, but I have my iPad Pro, which is 12.9 inches. It's almost the same size as my laptop, so I'll try to fit it in, and it slides in nicely, and then you just close it and it's there protected. That is so cool. Okay, then I'll put my pouch inside and something else, like here are my keys and this, guys, and then they're right in my bag. This is amazing. Like, I know a lot of bags have this, but most of the times they're hidden somewhere and I can't even find like this holder itself in a bag. But in this case, everything is made for you to just enjoy using a bag on a daily basis. Also, what I love about this bag is how secure it is. You have a zip closure in here, then you can also clip it to the bag, so the zip opener will stay right inside your bag, so no one will be able to reach it without you noticing and feeling. And then there is another closure right here. Yeah. Oh, at the back there is another pocket, by the way. It has so many pockets and it's so amazing. Then it has this nice long handle. Let's see. Look at this color, it's so pretty. Oh, by the way, once you cut this piece off, this plastic, you can't return it, so I should do it because I'm not returning this bag. Let's just do it now because it really ruins the view. Yay! Okay, now the bag looks so much better. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this color. I love it so much, and I love how it looks even with this casual outfit. Oh, by the way, what I did was, okay, you see I have a slightly cropped t-shirt and I don't like to show it off, so what I did, I just pulled the two bottoms together of my cardigan and tacked them inside my jeans. See, it looks so cute. What I also love about the strap is that it has this thicker leather part, so it doesn't hurt your shoulder, especially since I'm gonna carry my laptop and all my belongings in this bag. It will weigh quite a bit, so this is good to protect my shoulder. And the leather is so thick, and it's like this grained leather that never scratches. There is another way of how you can wear this bag. So basically you can turn it into a backpack. Super easy, you just slide it in, and because this part is thicker, it's gonna get stuck in the two loops, creating two sort of backpack straps. I actually didn't expect that I'll be so in love with this bag. I didn't expect the quality to be as good, and I didn't expect such great functionality of the bag. I always wanted to have a backpack, and now I have a backpack and a bag, two in one. What do you think of this bag, guys? If you're looking for a work bag of a nice quality, then definitely check out Senreve website. I'm just being super honest with you. That's why I wanted to do the unboxing together, so it was like a real unboxing because I've never seen this bag in real life before, and I am absolutely blown away by its beauty, its functionality, its safety, everything. And the price point is very good too, you know, comparing to Chanel prices or Louis Vuitton prices. This is so much better. Like, if I had a choice between a Louis Vuitton bag, like let's take a Neverfull because it costs the same, and this one, I would definitely take this one. Okay guys, so this is gonna be it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about the bag? Leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye!